Chapter 4. Animal Kingdom. The animal kingdom related the basis of classification. The basis of classification, first one, levels of organization. In that first one character, levels of organization. This is the first basic character. When observed in that one, levels means rank or grade. Organization means arrangement. So based on this arrangement, they are given rank or grade. And next one, based on this one, division of labor. Division of labor. 4 levels of organizations. 4 levels organization. The first one is cellular level. Second one, tissue level. Third one is organ level. Fourth one, organ system level. The 4 levels organizations. For the related cellular example, phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera. Tissue level example, phylum Nidaria. Phylum Ctenophora. Organ level examples, phylum Platyhelminthes. Organ system level example, phylum Aschelminthes to phylum Chordata. These are the 4 phylum that is related to 4 levels of organizations. The next one is a division of labor. Division of labor. The meaning of division of labor. Labor is nothing but activities. Activities means work or functions. Based on work or functions, the divisions. Division is nothing but separations. Based on the division of labors, that 4 levels of organizations. Then second one character, pattern of systems. pattern of systems. The pattern of systems, the first one is digestive system. Second one is circulatory system. The first given that one is digestive system. Digestive system. In the digestive system related, the main part name is called as gut or alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. These alimentary canals are two types. That are, first one is sac-like gut, second one tube-like. In the sac-like related, the sac-like appearance. This one is a tube-like appearance. Sac-like gut is a two-way gut. Tube-like gut is the one-way gut. Your single pore act as mouth and anus. Here one pore is mouth, the another pore is anus. So mouth and anus. This sac-like gut, another name is incomplete gut. The tube-like is complete gut. And another name is sac-like gut is the two-way gut. Whereas tube-like gut is the one-way gut. One way means in single direction. In a single direction that food passes. For this related, that examples for this. For the sac-like gut example, phylum Cnidaria, phylum Ctenophora, third one phylum Platyhelminthes. Whereas tube-like gut example, phylum Aschelminthes 2, phylum Chordata. This is the digestive system. Next, second one, circulatory system. Two types, open and closed. First one is open type. Second one, closed type. Open type means blood flow in chambers or sinuses. Blood flow in chambers or sinuses called open type, whereas closed type means blood flow in different diameter of blood vessels. Diameter of blood vessels. Example for open type: phylum Arthropoda, phylum Mollusca, phylum Echinodermata, phylum Hemichordata. This one example: phylum Annelida, phylum Chordata. Closed type. In open type, blood vessels poorly present. Blood vessels poorly present. Okay. So now that one is first basic character is completed, and next one is second one character also that completed. Then give that third one. Third one basic character is symmetry. Next we are continue the symmetry in the next class. In the next video class we are continue.